Welcome to Madras Amma Samayal channel. So in this channel we are going to see how to maintain, how to keep and what is the tips for terrace gardening. In this terrace gardening we have lot of kind of plants and type of pots and carriages and how to keep the sands, what kind of plants to be chosen, everything I will explain. Before entering this video, please subscribe my channel. I will put a lot of cooking videos and terrace videos and tips and everything I will keep here. So kindly subscribe and put some comments if you have any doubts. We can enter into the video now. So this is my terrace gardening. I have lot of variety of carriages and plants and sands and all. We need to see what is the requirement for the terrace gardening. Now some people are thinking terrace gardening is very hard to keep, but really it is very easy. First of all, we need to choose sand. First priority requirement is sand. We can choose the red sand type. We can get this red sands from botanical gardens. This is 100 rupees a pocket, or else we can get from the outside land also. After choosing the sand, we need to choose fertilizers. Second one is the majority is fertilizer. To grow the plant very high level and better, we need to choose the fertilizer type. Nowadays lot of chemical fertilizers are there, but we need to ready for that organic fertilizer. We are using that wastage of foods and wastage of vegetables and fruits and all, keep in pots and put some sands on over it. What happens, it will be digested by the sand and it will make it as a organic fertilizer. These fertilizers will be ready for 1 week if you start today. Okay, these kind of fertilizers will be used for organic plants, our plants. Second type is the cow dung. So the cow dung is should be drained in the sunlight, then only we can use for the fertilizers. So these two types of fertilizer we can use. So this type of fertilizers will not give any impact on the chemical level for the plant and it will be very good for health. So this is example for the cow dung fertilizers. So we can get from the botanical shop also, or if you have any cows are near to that one, we can get this type also. So this is the type of fertilizers we are using. So second priority requirement is completed. Third one is where we need to keep. We have lot of carriages, pots, everything is there. So for example, plastic pots, this is cost of just 100 rupees, and this is nothing but this is some carriage. This carriage you see in the milk vans. So we can get from the milk vendors for 100 rupees or 50 rupees, that is based on the requirement. So and based on the shop, I got for the 100 rupees. And third variety is crow bags. The crow bags height and length, lot of type of crow bags are there. This is cost of 100 rupees, that is cost of 10 rupees, 50 rupees and all is there. So for lettuce varieties and all, for onion varieties and all, the roots are very small, so that I am keeping the very small height of crow bags or carriages. So this is Ponangani lettuce. So this is very good for health. This is lettuce varieties, one of lettuce varieties, and I am keeping that small height of the carriage here. Reason is it roots and all very smaller range only. We need to choose the plant variety based on the carriage type. This is chili type of plant. For chili type of plant, the roots are very lengthy one. So I am using this length of the crow bags is more. And wherever you are keeping, you have to put some holes in the bottom of carriage or crow bag. Reason is the water is after pouring water in the stagnant, it will be stagnant there, then the roots will be damaged. So for carriage also we need to create some holes in bottom or near to the side area also we can create. So the water should not be stagnant there. What happens? The roots will be damaged, the plants will not grow properly. So this is normal basic tips for the terrace gardening. And we can see now how many kind of plants are there. And before that you see, right, this is the cement pots. This is and all cost is very low, around 100 rupees, 150 rupees. And this is a plastic pots, flower plots, And this is, you know, that our bathroom buckets and all is there. If it is not used right, we can use for the our plants. I'm using some jasmine in that plants. This is small grow bag. I'm keeping some ginger in that. So ginger and all we can plant very easily, just keeping the sand, that will be grow without any struggle. But we need to add the fertilizers, lot of things. So this is some waste vessels in from my kitchens. So it is not used and it was damaged. I used for my terrace gardening. So we can think type of carriages and pots, whatever thing we can use. Even the plastic water bottle also we can use for the terrace gardening. So that is based on our thoughts. And I'm keeping some guava trees and everything is there. So this is my terrace gardening here. Now what kind of plants are all there, I will explain how do we keep them. So this is aloe vera type. First we can see the chili plants. This is chili plant. So this chili plant, I'm getting around 10 to 15 chilies for a week. So this can be easily get, we can plant this one. So after getting this change to red color, we need dry in the sunlight. It have some seeds. If I put one seed, we can get one plant. So likewise we see we can get lot of plants, but to grow this much level we need to wait for 3 months. So we need to add proper fertilizers and proper sunlight and all we need to allow. In the terrace it will be get. Then this is one type of lettuce varieties. This is having the more iron content. In Tamil it's called as Murungai. I don't know actually the scientific names. This is the Mehendi plant. There is Mehendi plant we can add for the functional purposes and all. Mehendi, you know. So for ladies you ask, they will know about that Mehendi and all. Then this is the some medicine plant. This medicine plant is used for knee pains. And I mostly, this is also one chili plant I'm having the grow bag. This is in Tamil it's called as a sangupu. This is also one flower, blue color or white color flower will come. We can use that flower for God, and we can use that plant for medicinal purpose. And this is, you know, that the aloe vera. So aloe vera have the two types of aloe vera. One is big one and another one is small one. We can get a lot of small aloe veras from the root, and we can keep then another pot also. It will give lot of plants actually. Then this is a lettuce types. This is guava tree. This guava tree, I'm getting some small guavas, right? You see, right? In small guava itself I getting a guava tree. Yes, next guava tree. After guava tree I have some mango tree also. This mango tree is it's grow from small plant. So after the stem is more width, right? So then it after its full grow I will keep some in land. So in small grow bags I have some onions also. If I keep one onion in 1 month, that will become 5. So it's splitted. So yeah, you see, right? So likewise, if I for every month I got 200 onions, if I put 20 onions there. So similarly we can get lot of onions also. I keep in 2 grow bags. I planned for 4 grow bags hereafter. So this is completed. So completely is grown. So on next tomorrow I am going to rip that one. So I have lot of rose varieties also. So this rose is red rose. It's called as a Ooty rose, and some pink color rose also is there. If you cut the stem and you plant in the sand, right, that will become a small rose plant. So the rose plant, if you want to grow, right, it's very easy to grow. Another, so 4 kind of plants are there: white, yellow and red and pink color. 4 kind of rose plants are there. This is snake plants. This is indoor plant, but I keep in outside for full growing. Another type of plant here is lettuce types. I have that some medicinal plants also I keep in my side. So this variety, you know, mint. So you can grow the mint very easily in the terrace gardening. So you are getting mint as a bunch of mint plants from the shop. After getting that one, you remove all the leaves. I've just plant the stem alone in the sand, that become a mint plant. So you can get lot of greenish mint from your terrace gardening to your kitchen. Second one, so this is potato. So if any potato is cutting some small growing nature, right, you can put it in the sand, so that will get 4 or 5 potatoes in 3 months. This is jasmine, so this is steps jasmine or big jasmine, so it's not small, but its smell is very uh, good actually, very nice. So I put it in the some buckets only. Some lettuce types and guava and some medicinal purpose of for knee joint pain, for that and all I am keeping some plants also here. This is bio fertilizers I keep there. So this is my garden, so lot of varieties is there. Still I will explain that lot of variety of plants to you in the next videos and all, and I'm going to explain further tips for terrace gardening and cooking also. So kindly you subscribe my channel, you can get lot of kind of tips to grow your terrace gardening and to maintain the terrace gardening. So how much sunlight is needed, where we need to keep. So this is aloe vera, so likewise you can get the products from your terrace gardening to your kitchen, so you don't want get from outside. It's all are biological and based fertilizer based plants and products, so it won't impact our health also. This is very small in count, I will improve. Bye bye.